Concept 3, converting between odds and probabilities. Alright, so converting between odds and probability is pretty straightforward. Alright, if you're going from odds to probability, you add the values, the two numbers of your odds together. That'll give you the denominator. Okay, and then you're going to use the number of positive events, or the number of events that you're looking for, as your numerator. Okay, so if I have the odds of pulling a red face card from a full deck as 6 to 46, then the probability is going to be 6, which is the positive events, as my numerator, okay, out of 6 plus 46, or 52. Okay, so 6 to 46 is equal to 6 to 52. Okay, and we can simplify that down to 3 out of 26. Okay. All right. Now to go the other way, it's pretty much just as simple. You're just going backwards. So going from probability to odds, subtract the numerator from the denominator. All right. So if I have the probability of pulling a yellow marble from a bag is 3 out of 14, okay, the odds is going to be 3, okay, still using the number of outcomes that I like, okay, the number of outcomes that I'm looking for, and then 14 minus 3 is going to be 11, and that's going to be the number of outcomes that will not satisfy the event I'm looking for. So 3 out of 14 is the same as 3 to 11. Okay, and that's it.